When it comes to choosing between Bard versus ChatGPT for real-time answers, the big question is which AI assistant delivers the most accurate, fast, and useful responses. Stick with me as we dive deep into the strengths and weaknesses of both, and by the end, you'll know which one stands out, especially when it comes to real-time performance. First, let's talk about Bard. Developed by Google, it has access to the vast resources of Google Search, which makes it really good at pulling in current data. If you're asking something like, what's the latest news on X? Or can you look up that new trend for me? Bard can often give a more up-to-date response, simply because it pulls in live data from the web. This means Bard could be better in scenarios where real-time, dynamic information is key. But that doesn't mean it's perfect. Next thing to consider is the depth of responses. ChatGPT, powered by OpenAI, is known for its structured and detailed responses, especially when you ask for a breakdown of a topic. While Bard tends to give you the answer you're looking for more directly, ChatGPT excels at context and providing detailed follow-ups. So, if you need an answer to something complex or need it explained in simple steps, ChatGPT tends to shine. However, it doesn't pull in real-time data unless it's been integrated into a tool like browsing or a plugin feature, which isn't always available. Now, let's talk speed. Bard, with its real-time web scraping, might seem faster when you need a very specific piece of information, especially when something has just been released or updated. But while Bard's speed is great, sometimes the quality of the answer suffers. It can feel a bit rushed or incomplete, leaving you searching for more information after receiving your answer. On the other hand, ChatGPT can take a moment to process, but it tends to give you a more polished, comprehensive response, even if it might take a couple more seconds. The fourth thing to look at is user interface and ease of use. Both Bard and ChatGPT are designed to be user-friendly, but ChatGPT's interface generally feels more organized. It's easy to navigate and engage in follow-up conversations. Bard, while sleek, sometimes leaves you feeling like you're not getting the depth of engagement you want, especially if you're asking something nuanced. Another important factor is how each of them deals with longer, more complex queries. Bard's real-time web capabilities are great for immediate needs, but when you throw in something with multiple layers, ChatGPT tends to break it down better. It provides detailed responses and offers suggestions to guide you through complex concepts, which makes it a better tool for those seeking depth over speed. So, after trying Bard and ChatGPT for myself, I can say both have their merits, but when it comes to real-time answers, the choice can depend on your goal. If speed and current data are your priority, Bard might win out. But if you're after depth and detailed, structured answers that don't leave you hanging, ChatGPT generally comes through better. But here's the thing, there's a better option out there. If you're looking for an AI assistant that nails real-time accuracy while also offering the depth and structure that ChatGPT brings, I highly recommend checking out the software in the first link of the description. They offer the best free trial and exclusive benefits just for you, my viewers. Go ahead and take advantage of it. Trust me, it's the better alternative if you're serious about your AI assistant.